Ever wondered how to build powerful AI applications without actually dealing with huge data sets or huge machine learning algorithms that goes from the top of your head? Then in this course, we'll be exploring the easiest way to build AI applications by making use of DeepSeek as the LLM model, and we'll be making use of line chain to make state-of-the-art AI applications. So hi guys, welcome to Skill Mokondo, a full-stack engineer, and I've been working in the software engineering field for more than 5 years. So in this course, I will be teaching you how to create AI applications by making use of land chains. And also, we'll be making use of the LLM model, the world-famous LLM model as of now, which is DeepSeek AI. So we'll be making use of that, and we'll be making different applications that, I'll guide you through how to set up DeepSeek. You can learn how to create your API key, how to create a basic API application, and we'll build AI applications using a long-chain text-based application. We'll learn about what RAG is, what we'll learn, how to build AI agents, and how to make a stock market research agent that will search all the information about a stock and give it to you to tell you if you should buy it or not. And also you'll learn how to run the AI locally. I will see how to run the DeepSeek chat model locally on your own computer so that you can use it when all the AI models in the world goes off. So yeah, by the end of the course, you will have multiple hands-on projects on AI, and I believe after this, you will be able to make your own AI agents or AI models, or let's say about AI applications. So yeah, I'm pretty much pumped to explain to you guys about everything in this course. So we know that the world of AI has been constantly evolving, and I promise that this course will also be up to date, and probably I'll be adding new projects into it and new stuff as I make any videos or projects on this particular domain. So I promise that I'll keep this course up to date. Coming into the prerequisites of this course, you will need to understand how programming languages work. You need to know about Python or JavaScript. So once you understand that, you can probably start making this or start enrolling into this course. So what are you guys waiting for? Join now and start learning about AI applications. I'll see you guys in part 2 video.